Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I show how to blur a face inside Canva. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up Canva. For this demonstration I'm going to use a blank template. And now what I want to do is search for a person. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, I'm going to look at these photos, find one that you can see their face pretty clear, probably this one. I'm going to make it fit the screen. So now, alright, so I've got the image here. Now we want to blur out his face. And now what you want to do is click on that photo again, and then click on edit photo. Then a whole bunch of options will appear. So we want to use the blur effect. So if we scroll down here where it says effects, it might pop up here, but you might need to use this arrow to scroll across. There's the blur we want to use, so click onto that. And now as you can see there's a brush here, so you can change the brush size to make it bigger or smaller. So if I make it kind of the same size of his face, like so, and if I left click onto it, there'll be a purple thing. So now that will blur out his face like so. And if I go back, as you can see his face has been blurred out, but you can muck around with it, make it look 100 times better than what I've done. But this is just to show you guys a quick demonstration how to do this. So yeah, that's it guys, how to blur a face inside Canva. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.